That was the big one. After a long journey, we have reached the outskirts of Kanyakumari. So right now we are going to the hotel to check in and then go sightseeing. Okay, after a short rest, we are off to apparently the beach. നേരെ പോട്ടെ റോഡ് തീർന്ന്
ആക്ച്വലി സൺസെറ്റ് പോയിന്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് അങ്ങേറ്റത്താണ്.
എന്നാ അങ്ങോട്ട്
ഇവിടെ നോക്കിയാലും കാണാം.
എന്നാ അങ്ങേറ്റത്ത് പോട്ടെ.
നമ്മൾ അവിടെ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് കാണാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല.
എന്നാലും നമ്മൾ അവിടെ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് പറയല്ലോ. യെസ്. So it's a bit cloudy, so sunset might not be visible. We'll go anyway and take our chance. That's all we can do. Look at the ocean. It's getting upset. But not as upset as yesterday, guys. If I remember correctly, the last time I was here at this point was in 1976, I believe. Okay. I don't know how much. Well, it has changed quite a bit. I don't think all these roads were there. Well, when I say 1976, what is it? 50 years ago. I think I've seen this place in pictures, but it was much more beautiful. Now it's all toned down, rugged. And I think we are here at the vehicle parking is to the right. And we're going again. There's a wax museum. India's first wax museum, guys. It's nice and cool inside the car. Outside it's about 37 degrees. We have lots of tattigada here. You can get variety stuff. Yes, there is pani puri. It's nice. It's windy. You don't feel as hot as what it was. It's about 37 degrees, but it doesn't feel that way because of the wind. It's sunny. Watch. There we go. Sunny. Chaduga. Yeah. So guys, this step that we're standing on is about 2.5 feet high, and the water level will reach up there sometimes when it's a high tide. But we won't jump. We'll take the normal route. If you can call, yeah, you got sand here. I didn't see this sand, so it's nice. We got the water, raging water. Nice cloud structure, nice color on the water. So actually I do not remember any of this scene from 50 years ago. All of this walk. But the walk is nice. I was in Kanyakumari 2 years ago, but we didn't explore this place. It was just come in, go to Vivekananda Rock and the temple, and then trip back. We didn't explore the beach. It was just a one day. There was no stay. Just came and drove back from Trivandrum. But this one, we are staying in Kanyakumari, so we have lots of time. Let me just get on the big rock. Here. water touches your feet. Uh-oh. That was the big one. Here it comes. Almost to my knees. Yeah, all the way to my shorts. Yeah. I guess I'm the only one daring enough to walk into this much water. Everybody's standing on the shore and cheering. So I was in the water and there is a security, and we had to come closer to the shore. She's not a security guard, lifeguard, but a security guard. That was it. But the water level is rising. Okay, so the water is now coming all the way to where I'm standing now. It used to come where it is there. Just over here when I started, but now look at that, it's coming. Okay, so right now it comes all the way to here on a big wave, and the force of the water coming in is good. I mean, more, but it's the wave that's going out that you need to be careful about, because if you lose your footing and you can fall into, kind of hard to get back in, because if you lose footing when you're coming in, you're coming onto the shore. If you lose the footing when the wave is going out, you're going into the ocean. So be careful. Don't go too deep. One thing, if the wave is coming, don't face it or don't turn your back. To the side. Plant your feet in the sand, so you have a less chance of falling over. Okay? And once the waves are in and out, then you turn around, and when the next one comes in, do the same thing. You should be able to stand there stable, in a stable position.